Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you how to make a mirrored balloon. I use a latex balloon. The size is 24 inches, and the transparent Bobo balloon is also 24 inches in size. For convenience, I add some air to the Bobo balloon so that it would be easier for me to put a latex balloon inside. I'm putting a latex balloon inside a balloon and removing all the air completely. Please note that my latex balloon is very dense. I always choose dense balloons for these purposes. It is a dense latex balloon that will help perfectly align the Bobo balloon, and both balloons will become perfectly symmetrical. Now I'm inflating a latex balloon. Please note that it is not necessary to inflate the balloon larger than its factory size. Pay attention to the seam. You can now clearly see how the latex balloon aligns the Bobo balloon. After inflating the balloon, I tie the latex balloon into one knot and hide the tail inside the Bobo balloon. Then, I stretch the neck of the Bobo balloon and make 2 knots. This is a very reliable attachment. The balloon is ready, and now you can see why this balloon is called a mirror balloon. Do you see me in the reflection of the balloon? I'll see you too. Thank you for watching us.